at $19. Oh, I highly recommend. Do not buy the more expensive ones. Very sharp. Be careful. Not a toy. Click now. Very nicely designed and manufactured little knife. Great price as well for such a sweet knife. Definitely doesn't feel cheaply made at all. Nice and sharp. Small and perfect for keychain. Works very good for the smaller everyday needs that may arise. Aluminum is fine, no need for titanium unless you're a T-nut. Looks cool too. Good keychain knife. Will be handy for box opening, cutting string and other small tasks. It's too small for big jobs. But it wasn't designed for big jobs. Good knife for the price. Nice little knife. Slightly bigger than most pocket keychain knives I've lost in the past. I like it. The packaging is brutally strong and almost required a chop saw to get to the little knife. You will not be able to take it out without shears, as that blade is sharp and adds to the drama of its removal.